Yo, my name's Tayo, born and raised in Southeast London, a young 28, and I'm the director and designer for Trash Gxng. What inspired me was probably really two key events in my life. One of them was losing my best friend of 10 years to suicide. That hit me deep. And that made me realize that as closely as you do know somebody, there's still parts of their life that they can't be their true authentic self. And the second event actually was probably my ex-girlfriend cussing me out and calling me trash. And that stuck with me to this day. And I knew that I had to create something that empowered people to believe in their authentic self. If you believe in your source, you're good above everything else. That's why we run these creative workshops, really to empower a generation to tackle the biggest issues that impact them while basically designing some dope-ass clothes together. Every generation after you is the future, so listen, if you aren't investing in them, what value are you adding to mankind?